Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make and upload a YouTube short on PC. Uploading YouTube short on your computer is actually very simple. It's just not so obvious. So if we go over to the top, just how you would normally upload a video, you can see create in the top right corner. We click create, we click upload video, and essentially we upload a video as we would normally. We would select a file that we want to upload. So I just selected a file, for example, purposes of you can see it's currently processing right now, and essentially where my mouse cursor is right now, you can see the video is being processed and you can see the video link here. And essentially when the video is processed, to be able to tell if it's going to upload as a YouTube short or not, it will have YouTube slash shorts slash the URL rather than just YouTube slash. There you go, you can see it now, youtube.com slash short slash the extra URL that which defines my unique video, and that's how you can tell whether it's uploading a YouTube short. And to be able to make a YouTube short, your video needs to be under 1 minute, and it's need to be in a 1080p by 1920 aspect ratio, which is essential. The reverse is what you would normally have videos in on YouTube, and that is obviously because people are consuming shorts via the phone, and that is their aspect ratio that short is in. It is 9 by 16 if anybody is wondering, or 1080p by 1920. So your video needs to in that resolution, and it needs to be under 1 minute. And what you used to have to be able to do is go into the description and put hashtag short, but that is not necessary anymore, but I still do that in just case anyway. So that's it for this video. That's how you can upload a short from your PC or laptop. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.